Welcome to our journey back in time to a world ruled by giants, the awe-inspiring dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures, with their diverse forms and habits, dominated the Earth for millions of years. And just like any animal today, their survival hinged on one crucial aspect: their diet. From the thunderous footsteps of massive herbivores grazing on prehistoric foliage to the chilling hunts of apex predators, we'll delve into the fascinating world of how dinosaurs obtained their sustenance. We'll uncover the ingenious adaptations that allowed them to thrive in a world teeming with both opportunity and danger. But this is not just a story of teeth and claws. We'll also explore a lesser-known chapter in dinosaur history, the surprising influence of a tiny creature, the caterpillar, and how its voracious appetite may have shaken the very foundations of the dinosaur kingdom. Our planet has always been a stage for the eternal drama of predator and prey, and the age of dinosaurs was no exception. Among these prehistoric titans, the carnivores stood out as formidable hunters. Take the theropods, for instance, characterized by their bipedal stance and powerful hind limbs. Their defining feature: sharp, serrated teeth for tearing flesh. These teeth were deeply rooted in powerful jaws. Many theropods had large, clawed hands to grasp prey. Imagine a lone herbivore ambushed by agile hunters. Some relied on stealth and ambush. The world of carnivorous dinosaurs was one of constant struggle. No predator embodies the awe-inspiring power of the dinosaurs quite like Tyrannosaurus rex. This colossal carnivore, its name literally meaning Tyrant King, stood as the apex predator of its time, an undisputed ruler of its domain. Picture this: a creature towering over 40 feet long and weighing more than an African elephant, its massive head held high on a muscular neck. Its jaws, a marvel of both power and evolutionary engineering, were lined with teeth the size of bananas, each one serrated like a steak knife. Scientists estimate that Tyrannosaurus rex could bite with a force of over 8,000 pounds per square inch, equivalent to the weight of 3 small cars concentrated on a single tooth. But Tyrannosaurus rex wasn't just about brute force. Its senses were just as finely tuned for hunting. While Tyrannosaurus rex might be the most famous carnivore, the smaller, swifter raptors were equally deadly. These agile predators, belonging to a group known as dromaeosaurids, were masters of speed and agility, their bodies perfectly adapted for chasing down prey. Velociraptor, made famous by the Jurassic Park films, is perhaps the most well-known of the raptors. Though smaller than their Hollywood counterparts, these creatures were far from harmless. Their name, meaning Swift Caesar, perfectly captures their hunting style. Imagine a pack of velociraptors, their sleek bodies darting through the undergrowth, their long, stiff tails providing balance as they weave through the prehistoric landscape. Their most lethal weapon? An enlarged, sickle-shaped claw on each foot, held off the ground when running to maintain its sharpness. These claws weren't used for slashing, as often depicted in fiction. Meet Spinosaurus, a bizarre theropod that ruled the waterways, dwarfing even the mighty T-Rex. Imagine a dinosaur larger than a school bus, with a gigantic sail on its back. This sail may have regulated body temperature or attracted mates. Its crocodile-like skull housed conical teeth for catching slippery prey. Fossil evidence shows Spinosaurus hunted in swampy environments and river systems. While the carnivores capture our imagination with their predatory prowess, the herbivorous dinosaurs were equally fascinating in their own right. These gentle giants, far from being passive grazers, developed remarkable adaptations to thrive on a diet of plants. Their sheer size and unique feeding mechanisms shaped the very landscapes they inhabited. The herbivores faced a unique challenge: how to extract enough energy from plants to fuel their massive bodies. Unlike meat, which is relatively easy to digest, plants are fibrous and often require specialized digestive systems to break down cellulose, the complex carbohydrate that forms their cell walls. To overcome this, herbivorous dinosaurs developed a variety of adaptations. Some, like the sauropods, possessed incredibly long necks, allowing them to reach high into the trees to access foliage inaccessible to other dinosaurs. Among the herbivorous dinosaurs, sauropods were true titans, dwarfing all other land animals. These long-necked giants roamed the Earth for over 140 million years, from the Jurassic to the late Cretaceous. Brachiosaurus could reach over 40 feet, browsing on the tallest trees. Diplodocus, with its whip-like tail, could grow over 100 feet long. These giants were not built for speed, their massive limbs supported their immense weight. Sauropods stripped leaves with peg-like teeth and swallowed them whole. The world of herbivorous dinosaurs wasn't just about towering giants. Some plant eaters evolved elaborate defenses to ward off predators. Triceratops and Stegosaurus exemplify this strategy. Triceratops, with its 3 horns and large frill, is instantly recognizable. The horns could inflict serious damage on attackers. The frill protected its neck. Stegosaurus had 2 rows of bony plates. Its tail spikes could deliver a devastating blow. As we continue our exploration of herbivorous dinosaurs, we encounter a group known for their distinctive appearance and complex social structures, the hadrosaurs. These duck-billed dinosaurs, their name referring to their broad, flattened snouts, were among the most successful herbivores of the late Cretaceous period. Hadrosaurs possessed dental batteries, rows of tightly packed teeth that constantly replaced themselves throughout the dinosaur's life. This allowed them to process vast quantities of plant matter, fueling their large bodies. But the hadrosaurs' most intriguing feature was their head ornamentation. Many species sported elaborate crests, tubes and frills on their heads, their function a subject of much speculation. Some paleontologists believe these crests housed air sacs connected to the nasal passages, allowing for vocalizations, perhaps used for communication within herds. Fossil evidence suggests they lived in large herds, their numbers offering safety in numbers against predators. In the diverse tapestry of the dinosaur world, not all adhered strictly to a carnivorous or herbivorous diet. Some, like the omnivores of today, adopted a more flexible approach, their palates encompassing both meat and plants. These opportunistic eaters, their diets dictated by availability and seasonality, occupied a unique niche in the prehistoric food chain. Omnivores, as their name suggests, are characterized by their ability to derive nutrition from both animal and plant matter. This dietary flexibility offered them a distinct advantage, allowing them to exploit a wider range of food sources compared to their strictly carnivorous or herbivorous counterparts. In the world of dinosaurs, omnivory manifested in various forms. Some dinosaurs, while primarily herbivorous, may have supplemented their diets with insects, small animals, or even eggs. The world of omnivorous dinosaurs was just as diverse as that of their carnivorous and herbivorous counterparts. 2 fascinating examples, Ornithomimus and Oviraptor, showcase the range of adaptations and ecological roles these opportunistic eaters filled. Ornithomimus, its name meaning bird mimic, was a swift-footed dinosaur resembling a modern ostrich. Its long legs, lightweight build, and toothless beak suggest it was adapted for a life on the move, foraging for food across vast distances. Its diet likely consisted of insects, small animals, fruits, and seeds, a smorgasbord of readily available sustenance. Oviraptor, on the other hand, presents a more enigmatic case. Its name, meaning egg thief, stems from its discovery near a nest of fossilized eggs, initially thought to be those of Protoceratops. However, later discoveries revealed that the eggs belonged to Oviraptor itself, suggesting it was a dedicated parent, not an egg thief. Let's turn our attention to a seemingly insignificant creature that played a significant role in the lives of dinosaurs, the caterpillar. Even dinosaurs were not immune to insect infestations. Imagine a lush prehistoric forest, teeming with life. A silent invasion is underway. Millions of caterpillars devour leaves, stripping branches bare. Fossil evidence shows giant caterpillars were common. Their impact on vegetation was significant. For sauropods, this infestation could have spelled disaster. As we've journeyed through the realm of dinosaurs, from fearsome carnivores to gentle giants, we've uncovered intricate relationships and remarkable adaptations. Each creature, from the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the humble caterpillar, played a crucial role in maintaining balance. Carnivores kept herbivore populations in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring plant health. Herbivores shaped their environment, influencing plant evolution and creating habitats. Even caterpillars regulated plant growth, influencing food resources for other animals. Their impact highlights the interconnectedness of all life. The extinction of dinosaurs paved the way for mammals, and the evolution of our own species. Studying these creatures, we appreciate the complexity and fragility of life, and the importance of preserving our planet's balance. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the eating habits of dinosaurs and the surprising role of caterpillars in their world. We've delved into the fascinating adaptations that allowed these incredible creatures to thrive, from the bone-crushing bites of Tyrannosaurus rex to the elaborate dental batteries of hadrosaurs. We've seen how the balance of predator and prey shaped the dinosaur kingdom, and how even the smallest creatures, like caterpillars, could have a significant impact on their environment. The world of dinosaurs, far from being a static backdrop of giant reptiles, was a dynamic and interconnected ecosystem, full of wonder and surprises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the prehistoric world. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet's past, and remember, extinction is forever, so let's cherish the biodiversity we have today.